Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Toffee Brittle Easy Guide. Begin by measuring sugar, butter, and water precisely, then set a heavy pan over medium heat. Stir gently until sugar dissolves and mixture simmers, watching color change. Prepare a lined baking sheet and spread nuts in advance. Keep a candy thermometer nearby and remain attentive because candy can move from amber to burnt in moments during cooking. In this video, I will show how to make Toffee Brittle Easy Guide. Start heating sugar and butter, stirring until it reaches a steady boil and the mixture turns golden. Use a candy thermometer and aim for 300 degrees F for a crisp, snap texture. When the color deepens to amber, take the pan off the heat and work swiftly to pour the toffee over nuts on the lined sheet. Cool until barely warm before topping with chocolate. In this video, I will show how to make Toffee Brittle Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy simple guidance, consider the book The Simple Path to Wealth for refreshing financial perspective, a fun companion while you snack on brittle. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Toffee Brittle Easy Guide. After pouring, tilt the pan to level the toffee and quickly scatter chocolate so it melts from the residual heat. Use an offset spatula to smooth the chocolate layer, then sprinkle coarse salt or extra nuts for contrast. Place the sheet in the fridge until fully set, then score and break into shards. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.